In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook memories by date. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app. Then, tap the menu icon or the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner. In All Shortcuts section, click on See More. And now look for the Memories option and tap it. This will take you to a new page. You'll see 4 choices: Then and Now, Highlights, Journey, or Ask a Question. So click on Highlights. Now you can choose Oldest option to see your old photos or Recent option to see your recent ones. You can also add new photos if you click on Add from Device button. And there you have it. You've found Facebook memories sorted by date. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.